Getting started with Amazon bulk files can feel intimidating. Many sellers download the file, open it up, and immediately feel overwhelmed by all the rows and columns. Where do you begin? If that sounds familiar, do not worry, you are not alone. In today's episode, I'm going to walk you through setting up your bulk file for the very first time. We will go step by step from downloading the file to opening it up in a way that makes sense. So you are comfortable with the layout and ready to start optimizing. Let's jump in and take the first step together. Now I am on my laptop screen. Firstly, go to campaign manager. From here, you will be going into bulk operations. And as you are in the bulk operations tab, this is where all the magic happens. So firstly, let's explore what are these settings. So right from the top left, you can see the country you are in. You can change the country from here. On the right side, you can see the seller central you are in, and then you have a date range. So now there are two formats of downloading the bulk file. Number one is if you want to create the blank bulk file, this is usually used for setting up new campaigns. So if you want to download that, you don't need any of these. Just go here, click on the download a bulk operation template. This will download a bulk operation template empty. This will not include your previous campaigns data. So let's open it and see how it looks. Now you can see this template is empty and you can start creating your campaigns from here. We will cover this up in our next videos. But for the moment, let's download a bulk file that already have a preloaded data in it. For that, there are different settings here. You will note down that date range you want to download your bulk files. For example, I want to download the bulk file for last 30 days. So this will populate all of your search terms, all of your targeting types, and their stats for the last 30 days. Now, what are the things you want to include in it? So terminated campaigns, do you want to reactivate your campaigns? If yes, then you can click on the terminated campaign. So this, if you check mark on this will also include all of your previous campaigns that you archived. Then you have campaigns with items with 0 impressions. Do you want to include all the targets campaigns with 0 impressions? So I usually go with yes, because this helps during the optimization. Then placement data for campaigns, yes, we do need that as well. And then brand assets data, normally we do not need it. Sponsor products data, yes. Sponsor brand data, we need that. Sponsor brands multi-ad group data, we do need that. Sponsor display data, yes, we will be working on that. Guidance for sponsor products, let's keep this. Sponsor product search term data and sponsor brand search term data. Whatever data you need, just check it on, and the data you do not need, keep it unchecked. So now once you are fine with the date range and all the data points you need, you will be creating a spreadsheet for download. You will click create spreadsheet for download. This will take around 15 to 30 minutes depending upon size of your data. I have one already downloaded and opened. Let's get into it. Now that we have got the bulk files open, each sheet in this file serves a unique purpose, and understanding what they contain will give you a clear starting point for managing your campaigns effectively. First, there is the portfolio sheet. This sheet shows all the portfolios you have, which helps if you are grouping campaigns by product line or strategy. So you can study all of your portfolios here. Next, in sponsor product campaign sheet, which focuses on the detail for sponsor product ads. This is where you will be managing the key details for the campaigns, targeting products, keywords, or SN, including bid adjustment and targeting types specific to sponsor products. We also have the sponsor brands campaigns and sponsor brand multi-ad campaigns data. Sponsor brand campaigns is for ads promoting your brands, and if you're running campaigns with multiple ad groups, you will find those organized in the SB multi-ad group campaigns sheet right here. These sheets allow for specific targeting, including custom ad groups for sponsored brands. For display focused campaigns, there is the sponsored display sheet. This sheet holds data for sponsored display ads, where you will manage targeting and bids specific for ads that appear across Amazon display. Finally, we have the sponsor product search term report and sponsor brand search term reports. These sheets contain valuable search term data for sponsor products and sponsor brands respectively. Use these sheets to analyze which search terms are triggering your ads and find opportunities to add keywords and adjust bids. Now that you have set up your bulk files and have a good handle on each sheet's purpose, you are one step closer to efficiently manage your Amazon PPC campaigns. If you're finding this series valuable, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification so you can catch each episode as soon as it is released. Remember, we will be posting twice a week on Monday and Friday at 2:30 p.m. sharp Pakistan time, so there is always more actionable content coming your way. In our next video, we are diving right into the key columns and rows of these bulk sheets, where I will guide you through each critical data point you need to know, like campaign IDs, ad groups, and targeting settings. I will see you in the next episode.